Hi there, the Suburban. It's big. How do we park these? Well, great news. They park themselves. Let me show you how. So here's how it works, folks. We come up to our favorite store or restaurant. We want to park. While in drive, with your foot on the brake, hit the auto park assist button, select park, and select the type of parking space. In this case, we want to parallel park on the right shoulder. So park, parallel right. Start by pulling past the parking space. Right, let's pull past the parking space. Then we select park in vehicle, foot off the brake, staying alert. It's a good idea to keep your foot hovering over the brake, just in case. And right there, no braking, no touching the wheel, parking is complete. When we want to leave our spot, we're going to select drive, we're going to select auto park assist, we're going to exit parallel right, right now it's just shifted for us. And once you are able to take control to exit the parking spot, simply take control and leave, as the vehicle cannot pick up any other vehicles at this stage. So you have any questions about auto parking and how it works in one of these Suburbans or Yukon XLs, give me, Clem, a call on 306-782-2268.